Good afternoon. We'll get started in just a moment, just making sure that folks are connected to audio and they can hear us. Looks like Kevin is still connecting to audio, so we'll give just another moment to make sure that he's able to hear us.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Perfect. Yes. So look, you're on here twice, and one of them looks like it's still connected.
Yeah, I was just worried I'll get rid of one of these.
No worries. Then it looks like we are good to go. Good afternoon. This is an administrative hearing before the Mayor's Office of Consumer Affairs and Licensing. Today is Monday, January 8th, 2024. This hearing is being conducted pursuant to temporary amendments to the open meeting law. That is what allows us to meet virtually. This hearing is being recorded and will be posted to the City of Boston's website. We are joined today by the Executive Director of the Mayor's Office of Consumer Affairs and Licensing, Kathleen Joyce, and Director of Operations, Rebecca Fu. I will read into the record today's agenda item. I will ask who is present on behalf of the applicant. You will then make a brief presentation regarding your proposal, followed by questions by the division and testimony from the public. If there is any testimony, please limit it to 2 minutes and please state your name, address, and affiliation, if any. The only item before the entertainment division this afternoon is Tiernonog OK LLC, doing business as The Chemist, located at 109 High Street. The application before the entertainment division is to add the live entertainment categories of disc jockey and dancing by patrons to the existing non-live entertainment license for 7 days a week until 2 a.m. Who is present on behalf of the applicant?
Good afternoon, Executive Director Joyce, Director Fu, Secretary Green, Tom Miller from McDermott, Coulty, Miller and Hanley in Boston on behalf of the applicant. I'm joined by Kevin Trainer, who is the owner and manager of record of The Chemist.
Thank you. You please present the proposed entertainment to the division.
Thank you. As stated, the application before you is for a disc jockey and dancing by patrons. The overall concept of The Chemist is a relaxed modern cocktail lounge. It's serving a full menu until closing. Since opening, The Chemist has become a destination for those in the downtown area, both visitors to the city and members of the industry after their shifts. For those people who want a cocktail and or a meal in this area until later in the evening. Mr. Trainer is extremely experienced in the industry and with the operations of establishments providing live entertainment. He currently operates or is involved with multiple restaurants with live entertainment and has done so without incident since those operations began. This includes the Phoenix Landing, which has been providing a space in Cambridge for live music and DJs for more than 28 years. Since opening after Thanksgiving, The Chemist has operated on one-day licenses, as the board or the division is aware. In the same manner, he has operated his other locations without incident, complaints, or violations. One of these other establishments is an establishment under the division's jurisdiction, The Merchant, in this same area. As I've said, the concept here is a relaxed modern cocktail lounge. The DJ provides Mr. Trainer and The Chemist the ability to tailor the music to the mood and the vibe of the patrons in the establishment at any given point. It allows them to mix it up and make it appropriate to the time and the situation. In addition, while there is no dance floor, we have applied to allow patrons to dance when the mood strikes them, either in their seating area or in the spaces between the different areas and tables. The hours of operation for the live entertainment are from 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. Mr. Trainer has renovated this and updated the space before beginning operations in this commercial area of Boston. This includes updating the entire premise and the installation of a specifically designed ceiling comprised of acoustic tin tiles designed to reduce any noise bleeding over from here to the offices above. This space has been designed so it'll have as minimal an impact on this non-residential area as possible. In summation, this is the application before you today, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have.
Thanks, attorney. So I'm looking at your floor plan. Where on the floor plan will the DJ be?
The DJ is at the end of the bar. We extended the end of the bar that the DJ.
There's a
will be
little-
in.
There's a little cutout in the bar. It looks almost like a second bar with some seats in front of it.
So if I'm looking straight out at the bar, is it to the right or to the left?
It's
Right,
to the right.
Okay,
towards the front of the building.
Yeah.
okay. And will the DJ be performing every night of the week?
We are currently doing 5 nights a week. Sorry, Sunday and
Okay.
Monday we're not doing DJs.
Okay. So I just want to make sure, is this type of entertainment permitted by your landlord?
Yes,
Okay, and
Yeah.
we ask these questions, we've run into issues with some applicants who we realized it wasn't even allowed in there, it was specifically excluded in their lease. And then
When
tell me a little bit about the soundproofing. Did you
So
need to do
we-
anything?
Well, it's only offices really above us. But what I did, I put in an acoustic tin tile. And we used the existing ceiling as well, so there's no sound that's coming out anywhere. When you go outside, you can't hear it outside at all.
Okay, Mr. Trainer, would you be the person people can contact should there be complaints about noise, people above you?
Yes,
Okay, and have you talked to those tenants that are above you?
yes.
Okay,
Talk to the tenants, and we had one of your inspectors come in and have a look around as well. Inspector Gallagher.
Yep.
Or Sergeant
Okay.
Gallagher. So they were quite happy with what we were doing, I think.
and there's
Alright.
very good communication between the landlord and Kevin and the other tenants. So, if there's ever any problem, the landlord's very responsive. We've dealt with them as well, so.
I just want to make sure we have it correct on the license, because you requested a dance floor, and then if the inspectors went in one night and they didn't see the dance floor, but they saw dancing, we want to make sure they're requesting the right type of entertainment. Rebecca, is that something we can clarify on the face of the license so that if they're inspected? So you don't plan on moving tables and chairs to allow for dancing?
Well, I would think sometimes we will.
Okay, we have to clarify that,
Yeah.
because it would. When people,
Yep, sorry.
no,
if you
no,
do-
just for inspection purposes.
If you do move tables and chairs, would it be for private events or just special events at the chemist?
It's special events, yeah. Pretty
Okay.
much. There's 2 long tables, if you can see in the plan.
Okay, if you could actually just submit a floor plan showing us what the setup might be like and where the DJ is located, just so we have an idea.
I will do that, yes, definitely.
Sorry, Kathleen.
No, I think that's it. I always defer to Rebecca. She knows more about entertainment licensing than anyone in the office. So Rebecca, is there anything else we need to get on the record today?
I just want to confirm, are all the abutters commercial?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
and above. It's
Okay.
office only. There's no residential around it.
Okay. Did you guys have a community process or meeting with ONS?
Well, we got,
sorry, go ahead, Kevin.
sorry.
I was gonna say, we reached out to ONS at the very beginning of this process for the alcohol transfer and all that, explained the whole thing. They said because it's an existing establishment, I believe that had a live entertainment license before as well. There was no need for a process. Kevin reached out to the bid provided support. So, we've reached out and spoken with, everybody reasonable. So.
Great. Thank you. I have no further questions.
Thank you. Anything further from Executive Director Joyce or Director Fu?
No questions.
Okay. I do not believe we are joined by any members of the public, but I will ask if there is anyone with us who would like to testify on this matter. I do understand that there will be a public comment period, which will run from January 22nd through the 26th. So with that being the only item on this afternoon's agenda, the Executive Director will take this hearing under advisement, as well as any public comments that we do receive up until January 26th. And with that, we'll take this under advisement, and we will issue a written decision at the close of the comment period. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.